Hello everyone, Amanda Shushma here, and today I have a Glossier makeup set review for you guys. Their makeup set includes their Boy Brow, a Cloudpaint, and then the Lashslick mascara. So I'm really excited, so let's just go ahead and hop into it. And just so you guys know, the only thing I have on is a CC cream and lip gloss. So that's really all I have on, but they're not from the Glossier brand. So the first product we're going to go into is the Glossier Boy Brow in black, and it goes for $16 by itself. I would say like my eyebrows, I only really have like sparse areas like on the inner corner of this one, but it's not really that bad. It just makes them look thicker and darker, and it just kind of holds them in place, which is what I'm really looking for. Like, I'm not a big brow girl, I just want to like put something on and have it look like they're done. Sure if you guys can see the difference. This one, like the brow hairs are a little bit more up and a little bit darker. It looks a little bit thicker. It's a very subtle change, but I really like it, and that's like, you know, the Glossier brand, like subtle, still you, just enhanced a little bit. And my brows, I will say, like, this one is a little bit higher. This is my favorite brow. This one is like so we'll just do what we can with that one, but this one is really nice. You guys can tell, but I can tell like my brows, they look a little bit darker, a little bit thicker. It really depends on your brows, and I think this would help people with a lot of sparse areas. So this is what it looks like. If you guys didn't see before, it just has Glossier there. It's very small, cute product. As we all know, their packaging is so pretty and like minimal, and it'll just look cute in your vanity or your bathroom. I changed the lighting, hopefully you guys can see better. But yeah, so this was $16, 0.11 ounces. And is it worth it? I mean, personally, I think I can find something from a different brand that's cheaper and can do the same thing or even a little bit more, but you know, that's just the type of look I want. This is for someone who wants quick, fast, minimal, and it's just like done. So I see why people really like this. It's efficient. It does what it says it does. And I did see people hating on the amount that you get for the price, but I will say I've had this one since June and I still have a lot of product in there. So personally, for me, would I repurchase this? No, just because I think it does what it says it does. It's subtle, it's minimal, it's good. You know, their brand is cruelty free, but I think I can find something that's, you know, a little bit more inexpensive, where I don't have to pay for shipping or anything like that, and have it do a little bit more for me personally. But I do see why a lot of people like this, and like I said, if you want something fast, easy, gets the job done really fast, this is what this would be a great product for that. So next up is the Lashslick mascara from them. So this is what it looks like. I think the packaging on this one is so cute. It's like a very, very pale pink, very light pink, and it has Glossier there, and it just has their little symbol and says Lashslick there. So let's go ahead and apply this, and this is also $16. So I have it on. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I am not obsessed with this. Like the Boy Brow, I said, like, you know, I could see why people really like that. But for this, it's just like there is a nice like lengthening effect. But for $16, I think like you can go into like a drugstore or something and find another mascara for like literally half of that, and it can do like way more. I mean, I just don't think it's worth the price for what it does for you. I have done it like where I curled my lashes first and then did it, and it looked really nice, but you can do that with any mascara. And I will say that's just my opinion. Like, I like dramatic or like longer and curlier lashes. So this, like, you know, maybe if I was going out and running errands and I didn't want to put on makeup, sure, I'll just put this on. But yeah, for the price and for what it does, I would say no. So I know the last two products have been kind of a bust for me, and I've had them since June, and now it is November, so just FYI, I have been using it like since then. But the next product I have is one I actually really like, and I'll just tell you guys off the bat I like this one. It is their Cloudpaint. I have the shade Dusk. So let's go ahead and apply it, and then I'll talk about it. What it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's such a subtle like flush of color. but I really like it. So like I said, the shade I got was Cloudpaint in Dusk, but you can choose different shades if you use that makeup set. Like if you buy it with the makeup set, you can choose different shades. So yeah, I really like it. And the packaging is so cute. It's in like a paint tube style packaging. It has Glossier on the front, and then it says Cloudpaint and all the information on the back. It's easy to open. So it's described as a gel cream consistency, but I was just kind of surprised when I opened it. It was like, it's very liquidy and like very thin, and it's really easy to blend out and like, you know, put on your skin and stuff. But I really like this formula. I just thought like a gel cream would be a little bit thicker, but it's fine. I really like this. It's easy to, like, you saw me, I used my finger and I tapped it out. I saw people using sponges, and that's like a damp sponge, and you could just do that. So this shade Dusk is described as a brownish nude on their website, and I really like this on my skin tone. I'm like a medium, light medium tan, Indian skin tone, whatever. But I really like this. I think it looks more like a peachy type of blush on my skin tone, but I think it's really cute and it's easy for me to do for work and really fast. This one goes for $18 and you get 0.33 fluid ounces, and I think this one is definitely worth it. Like I said, I purchased these products in June and I still have so much of this left. Like a little goes a long way with this. Like I have a lot of other shades of cloud paints and I want them all. Yes, and they have like on their website, it shows you on different skin tones and you can check out reviews and stuff. And just overall, so these three, I did get them as the Glossier makeup set, which is basically like saving $10 to get them as a set, because if you just kind of put these in your cart separately, it would be about $50, versus these are $40 as the makeup set, and then you qualify for free shipping, and because I believe it's over $30 for free shipping on their website. So as a set, $40, and then no shipping costs and just tax. I paid $42.80. I like Glossier as a brand. I like what they're doing with minimal makeup, just kind of like free your skin, just enhance your features. I do love that they're cruelty free. I love their packaging. Overall, I know like the mascara and the boy brow, like I'm trying to finish them up. I think they're, I think they're good products. I think they're good for people who like it very minimal and stuff. They're easy for me for work, definitely, but I would not be repurchasing these. I do like them, but the Glossier Cloud Paint on the other hand, girl, I would probably be uploading a like Cloud Paint to like haul or something. That's about it for this little Glossier makeup set review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will probably be doing some Glossier Cloud Paint swatches in the future, so subscribe to see some of that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks you guys so much for watching. Bye!